Madam Rain.
Ayan ka na.
Si Madam Rain na saan? Pupong po kayo dun. I-request po ito ni Ma'am ano eh.
Ha? Dito ka.
Request.
Nino? Darini. Oh, ako ka na dyan. Uy, wow. Kaya pala drinks lang, ma'am. Kaya pala, hinayaan mo kong kumain. Thank you. Thank you, BM.
Kaya naman ito, bali ano to.
Nagsabi si BM, gugutom ka na nga. Kasi ako, BM, mag-drinks na lang siya.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You will make me happy. Yung stars
Ano ba, paano naman yan? Artista yan.
Oh dear, how much I love you. Don't take my sunshine away. 3 songs po to, kaya shortcut ko na lang po.
Marami yan eh. Oo nga. 40 songs yung sinend ko kay kay Brad. Oh, 40 songs. Ano to, TikTok? Kailangan ba namin sayawan to, kuya?
Sa habang buhay, kapiling ka na kasama. Panalangin ko, hindi mapapayag ang puso ko. Mawala ka sa piling, mahal ko iyong bibig. Wala
Backup dancer.
Meron pa po, lasong.
Di man lang ako pinag-lipstick. I-post mo na na. Hingal na hingal kami ni BM tumakbo.
Always thought you were the best. I guess I always will. Always felt that we were less, and I feel that we still. Sometimes we took the hard road, but we always saw it through. If I had only one thing left, wanted to.
Ano yung una kanta?
Sometimes the world was on our side, sometimes it wasn't fair. Sometimes it gave a helping hand, sometimes it wasn't
Parang
fair.
nag-trip yung mga
Cause when we were together, made it If I had only one thing left, I wanted to be someone who understands me, knows me inside out.
Bakit?
It helps me keep together and leaves me down. But I could move mountains, someone to tell me.
Sabi niya, ayoko lang din. Sabi ko, parang okay ka lang ma.
I had only one friend left, I wanted to be. Tataan si Mama, happy birthday!
Thank you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Mabilis. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy bali may message po. Hi RK, happy birthday. Though I was not there physically, I hope this little surprise will fill in the gaps. How wonderful life is while you're in the world. Thanks for the gift of friendship. Hope you have many more birthdays to come. Mwah.
Nice bakla.
Yeah.
Kung nasan ka man naroon. Kung nasan ka man naroon.
Message na, message. Video po eh.
Ay, mag-message nice bakla. Saan ka man naroon. Saan ka man naroon. Patayin ko muna yung aircon.
Oo, sige. Si Grace ang salarin, Char.